To add a transition in Clipchamp, you'll need to have 2 clips in your timeline. You can select any clips you like. And for demonstration purposes, 2 clips have been chosen. One labeled Breaking News and the other labeled The End. Playing these clips back to back results in a rough transition, with the video simply jumping from one clip to the next. To add a transition, select the first clip, hold down the Shift key, and select the second clip. Alternatively, you can drag over both clips to select them. The key is to have both clips selected where you want to add the transition. With the clips selected, navigate to the right and click the arrow to reveal the Transitions menu. Located at the bottom, this will display a range of transitions to choose from, including both premium and free options. Select a transition that suits your needs, for example, a spin transition. Once selected, the transition will be added to your video. Playing the clip back will now show the added transition, creating a smoother and more polished video. This is the basic process for adding transitions in Clipchamp.